In this video, I'll show you how to register for an MSCA account. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type in MSCA. Once the results appear, look for the canada.ca link that says My Service Canada account. Click on it to open the page. Once you are on the page, scroll down until you see the Create an Account section. You will also see a Sign In option, but since we are registering for the first time, click on Register for an account. Before you proceed, here are a few quick things to know. You must be at least 12 years old to create an account. You also need to create and use the account yourself. Nobody else is allowed to create or use an account on your behalf. Now you will need to choose a sign-in method. There are 3 options available. The first option is Interact Sign-In Partner. This lets you use your online banking information to sign in. The second option is GC Key. This is a username and password issued by the Government of Canada. You can also sign up for a new GC Key if you do not have one yet. The third option is a provincial sign-in. This includes options like your alberta.ca account or your BC Services card. Go ahead and choose whichever option works best for you. Once you select your preferred sign-in method, you will be guided through the remaining steps to complete your registration. Once your account is set up, the next time you visit, you just need to sign in. Registration is a one-time process. That is how you do it.